Returning boolean if set is empty. I am struggling to find a more clean way of returning a boolean value if my set is empty at the end of my function. I take the intersection of two sets, and want to return true or false based on if the resulting set is empty. My initial thought was to do. However, in my interpreter I can easily see that statement will return true if C equals set. I've also tried all of the following. Now I've read from the documentation that I can only use and, or, and not with empty sets to deduce a boolean value. So far, the only thing I can come up with is returning not C. I have a feeling there is a much more Pythonic way to do this, but I am struggling to find it. I don't want to return the actual set to an if statement because I don't need the values, I just want to know if they intersect.
Bool will do something similar to not, but more idiomatic and clear.
Not as Pythonic as the other answers, but mathematics. As some comments wondered about the impact len set could have on complexity. It is though one is shown in the source code given it relies on a variable that tracks the usage of the set.
If you want to return true for an empty set, then I think it would be clearer to do i.e. C is equal to an empty set. Or, for the other way around, return C not equal set. In my opinion, this is more explicit, though less idiomatic, than relying on Python's interpretation of an empty set as false in a Boolean context.
If C is a set, then you can check whether it's empty by doing return not C. If C is empty, then not C will be true. Otherwise, if C contains any elements, not C will be false.